Hello, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to make a great recipe of just sausage, peppers, and onions with a little bit of a twist. When my wife and I lived in Merritt Island, we used to go to Vinnie's all the time, and we loved their sausage, peppers, and onions. Great sauce, lots of cheese. It's just a great, easy meal. A little bread, a little salad. So what I did to start with is I took a pound of mushrooms. That's my addition. I quartered them up, tossed them with a little olive oil, and threw them in a 375 oven about half an hour. I want to get most of that liquid out so that just a little bit in the bottom, because we don't want to steam the vegetables, we want to roast them. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, this is 2 medium-sized red peppers that I just kind of chopped up. You want them big enough that you can still see them after they've been cooking. And all this is going to cook down quite a bit. I love it because it makes a pretty good, pretty big meal for 4. And then I got a big, huge, nice, sweet Vidalia yellow onion I cut up. Same thing, nice big chunks. It was funny when I did the mushrooms, you thought the whole pot was full. And in actuality, the mushrooms are just about gone, it seems like. Alright, so I'm going to take a little more olive oil. You never have too much olive oil, it's great. Then, just for a little flavor, I want to put in a little oregano. Dried oregano is fine. If you want to get some fresh, so be it. I just love the smell of oregano when it's cooking. And I got a little spatula here. We're just going to see if we can get this stuff kind of stirred around. And the mushrooms, like I said, 375, half hour, they definitely cook down. Most of the liquid does evaporate. Getting it all mixed up. That olive oil in there making everything look pretty. And we're going to go back in the oven. It's going to be about a half hour to get these vegetables nice and roasted. And then I'll be back and I'll show you how to put it together. Alright, this smells so wonderful. The sausage and the onions, peppers, and mushrooms have all cooked down. Everything's got a little color to it. Got most of the liquid out of here. And it just smells great with that little oregano I threw in there. So now I'm going to take, I've got some sausage, 4 links that I cut into little bite-sized pieces. I'm going to dump in here. They've already been cooked. How I cook them is 350 oven, 20 minutes, flip them 20 more minutes, because I know that when they go in here, they're going to cook in the oven longer. I just want to cook them long enough to firm them up and get as much of the grease out as you can. So as you can see, I told you it was done. So as you can see, I've got a pretty big pot of food here. Wait to heat this mixed up real well. So now for the cheat part. How I cheat is I'll get a couple jars of sauce that I really like. You want to make sure you get enough sauce in here because I'm going to put a little pasta with it when I serve it. And I like this sauce because it's a little bit thicker. And if there's any liquid left in the bottom, it's going to help thicken it. I also love the flavor of this sauce, so just take what you like. This is nice. True talent. Mix this up a little bit. As we say, in cooking, we're incorporating. Tossed around. Make sure you wear old clothes when you do this, so you don't splatter yourself, especially when you eat it. Everything buried here in the sauce. That's why I love this dish. It's great to bake in, perfect size, and it's really deep. A lot of food in it. So I got myself some mozzarella cheese. Any kind you want. I love the way mozzarella melts and gets everything nice and gooey. But also, I love provolone, so I'm going to take some nice fresh provolone from the deli. Top here. Just enough to kind of add it in there. Now we're going back in the oven for another half an hour. I guarantee you everything will be cooked real well. The cheese is going to be nice and bubbly, and this is going to be ready to serve. So I'll see you in half an hour. Okay, it's been half an hour. The cheese is bubbly. I actually had to let it sit for a couple minutes before I try to dish it up. It was bubbly. Smells great, lots of cheese. Now let's see how it looks when I put some in a dish here. Oh. Get some of that nice gooey cheese, that sausage. I think the thing I like about this, it's kind of like a casserole, is that it's not just about the sausage. It's also about the peppers and onions. Everything has a kind of an equal place in this meal. And I've got plenty of sauce. I just put a little linguine in the bottom of this bowl. Oh, dug around and found a couple pieces of sausage. So there you have it. I've got sausage, onions, peppers, mushrooms, all together. Like I said, this is something, some nice warm bread, nice salad with some fresh Italian dressing, and of course, this being an Italian meal, I would definitely have a Sangiovese wine like a Chianti to go with it, but it just smells so great. I gotta go because I have to eat this. See you later.